Dreams are not what we see while we sleep. Dreams are what keep us awake. This profound saying emphasizes the importance of determination in making our dreams a reality. Imagine a person, let's call them Sam. Sam had a dream that was bigger than their circumstances, a dream that seemed unreachable. But it was their determination that fueled their journey towards their goal. They faced numerous challenges, roadblocks that seemed insurmountable. But Sam never lost sight of their dream. They never let their circumstances determine their destiny. They persevered, they toiled, and they struggled, but they never gave up. Their story is a testament to the power of determination. It shows us that no dream is too big if we have the will to chase it. From this story, we learn that difficulties will come in life, but we should never accept defeat. Self-belief is that power which turns the impossible into possible. This is a truth that has been proven time and again by countless individuals throughout history. Today, I would like to share one such story with you, a story of a person who, despite all odds, believed in themselves and proved everyone wrong. In a small town, there lived a young individual with dreams bigger than the sky. They had a vision, a goal that they wished to achieve. However, their dreams were often met with skepticism and doubt from those around them. They were told that their dreams were too big, too unrealistic, that they were setting themselves up for failure. But this individual, they didn't let the discouraging words of others deter them. They didn't let the skepticism of others cloud their vision. Instead, they held on to their self-belief. They held on to the faith they had in themselves, their abilities, their potential. They chose to listen to their inner voice, the voice that told them they could, rather than the voices that told them they couldn't. Every day was a new battle, a new challenge. There were times when even they doubted themselves, when they questioned their ability to achieve their goals. But each time, they reminded themselves of their strength, their determination, their self-belief. They reminded themselves that they had the power to turn their dreams into reality. And so they did. They worked tirelessly, relentlessly, never giving up, never giving in. They faced each challenge head-on, never backing down, never losing faith in themselves. And in the end, they proved everyone wrong. They achieved their dreams. They reached their goals, not because they were lucky, not because they were gifted, but because they believed in themselves. This is the power of self-belief. It is a strength that can move mountains, that can turn dreams into reality. It is a power that resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be discovered, waiting to be unleashed. From this story, we learn that if we believe in ourselves, we can overcome any difficulty. So let's believe in ourselves and make the impossible possible. Ament kerne vale ki kebi harnien hoti. There's an undeniable truth to these words, a truth that surfaces in the life of every individual who has dared to dream and muster the courage to chase those dreams with relentless hard work. Picture this, a person with a burning desire to achieve a certain goal. This individual, let's call them our protagonist, knows the path to their dream is not easy. It's strewn with obstacles and setbacks, but they're undeterred. They're ready to face the challenges head-on. Day in and day out, they toil, putting in the time, effort, and sweat necessary to inch closer to their goal. Their journey is not about instant gratification or quick success. Instead, it's about persistence, about the grind, about the late nights and early mornings. It's about the countless hours spent honing their skills, improving, learning, and growing. It's about the sacrifices and the compromises they make, the comfort zones they step out of, and the extra miles they walk. At times, they stumble, they fall. There are moments of self-doubt and frustration, but each time they pick themselves up, dust off the setbacks, and carry on. They understand that failures are not the end, but stepping stones to success. Their resolve strengthens with each hurdle, their spirit unbroken, and then, one day, their hard work pays off. They achieve their goal. The satisfaction of that moment, the joy of seeing their dream come to fruition, is incomparable. It's a testament to their journey, their resilience, and above all, their hard work. The story of our protagonist is not just a tale of achievement. It's a powerful lesson that underscores the importance of hard work. It's a reminder that there are no shortcuts to success, no easy routes to the top. Every dream, every goal demands dedication, perseverance, and hard work. Iskani se हमें ये सीख मिलती है कि कितना आइयों का सामना करने के लिए और अपने लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए मेहनत और समर्पण की आवश्यकता होती है।